Hi there, 8th grade. Lesson 60, area of a parallelogram. Objectives: use the formula A equals BH to calculate the area of parallelogram. Verify the formula for the area of a parallelogram by using a model. Compare the perimeters and areas of similar parallelograms. Alright, at this point you can do your power up, then problem solving under the power up. Alright, example 1. Find the perimeter and area of the parallelogram. Well, some of you are probably looking at this and saying, Mr. Rito, I can do this, and I can do this, and voila. Problem is, I don't know what the length here is and what the length is here. I have nothing that can give me that. I know my height is that. Okay. Now, the formula to find the area of key thing here, parallelograms, which means you have two sets of parallel lines, which probably means this side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. And obviously, like I said, this line is parallel to this one, and this one is parallel to this one. Okay? So, that's basically making sure it's a parallelogram. Alright, so the formula for this is height times base equals the area. Now, you might think of that, well that kind of looks like the area of a triangle. If I find the area of this triangle, the height is still going to be 5, and I would take 5 times 8, because that's my base, and then half it. Well, now we have two triangles, so we don't have to half it anymore. So we're just going to take my base, which is 8, and my height, which is 5, and we're going to multiply them. And when we do, we're going to get 40 centimeters squared. That is your answer for that one. Alright. Let me get set up for this one. On a coordinate plane, sketch and find the area of parallelogram A, B, C, D with vertices A, 2, 1, and B, 1, negative 1, and C, negative 2, negative 1, and D, negative 1, negative 1, 1. So we're going to do this. Alright, so A is going to be at 2, 1. 2, 1. That's going to be A. Alright, B is going to be at 1, negative 1. This is B. Alright, C is going to be at negative 2, negative 1. So there's C. And B, or D, is going to be at negative 1, 1. Alright, so we got to find the area of this parallelogram. Well, height is up 1, 2. So height is 2. Alright, length is going to be 1, 2, 3. So it's times by 3. Okay? So our area of this would be 6. Okay? Graph the dilation with a scale factor of 3. So we have to multiply each one of these by 3. So we have 6, or we get 6, 3. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. my new A, and I'm going to go with A prime there. Alright, B is going to be -3, or +3, 1, 2, 3. And it is going to be -3, 1, 2, 3. There's going to be my B prime. Alright, C is going to be at -6. Alright, and it's going to be at -3, 1, 2, 3. That is C prime. D is going to be at 3, 3, or -3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's going to be D prime. There's something that looks like that. Okay, now let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to be my height. Okay, my length is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, time's on. Alright, but we get 54. So the last question is, the area of the image is how many times the area of the parallelogram ABC? Well, we'd have to take 54 divided by 6, which is going to give me 9 times. One thing that I like to think of is we're adding 3 to the length and we're adding 3 here. So really, we're getting 3 times 3, which is 9 times. Okay, and that'll work on any one of these. So it is 9 times. And I believe on your practice set, that will work on those too. So I emphasize that. Alright, you're at your practice set. Those are the ones you do, A through E. It's on 409. There is your homework, 2 through 30 evens.